Hey, this is a walkthrough on how to create a user from the admin Tangram account, as well as how to request a magic link from that email. So I'm going to move my camera down to the bottom of the screen to start. And right now I'm logged into a test platform as an admin. This platform has a few users, a few listings, and that's pretty much it. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is first show you how to create a user through the admin users table. The way that you get there is through the hamburger menu in the top right of your screen. By default, all platforms come with a users tab. If you click that, you're brought to this table. In the top right of the table, there's a little button that says new. And if you click on that, you're brought to this prompt that lets you create a new user account. So I'm going to create a new account with my name, and I'm going to use an email alias so it goes to my normal email. And I'm going to copy that just so I can paste it easily later. And I'm going to make this user a vendor, which is one of my user roles in this platform. And as you can see here now, that user I just created is showing up in my users table. I can go and manage them or log in as them as an admin, just like any other user. And so that's the first step. The second step is logging in with a magic link or requesting a magic link to this user's account. So I'm going to pause the video and pull up the magic link page. So I've pulled up this magic link page here. The URL is your Tangram URL /magic. And you have to view it while you're logged out. So if you're logged in, it will just bring you to your profile or wherever the default redirect for your platform is set to. So if you view this page under the correct conditions, you're given this little prompt to log in via magic link. And if you put in your email, one second, I'm going to have to pause the video and go grab that email I just created for that user. Okay, sorry about that. We're back, and I'm going to paste in that user's email that I just copied. And when I hit send login link here, it's going to email me a login link that I can click to automatically log into this platform. So I'm going to hit send login link. There's a little flash that says, please check your email for login instructions. If I go over to my email, there's a link in my email, and we're going to we're going to copy this link from the email, and I'm going to paste it in a new window because I just tried it in that window and it didn't log me in because I had the login session from the admin still. And if I click, and now that I put it in the new window, I'm logged in to the account I just created. So as you can see, like my email's populated here, and I'm free to complete this profile as normal. So hopefully that walkthrough was informative. Let us know if you have any questions about any of that. But otherwise, I hope you have a great rest of your day.